Peter, hey, hold this sling bag just 1 minute, okay?
Oh, yes, Dad. Don't worry. I'll keep it safe. Oh, what is that? So shiny. Wait, just one look. Just one. Oh, this robot, it's moving. Wow. Wait. Mom? Anna? Hey, where did everyone go? Oh no, I'm lost. Okay, don't panic. I can do this. I'll find them. Was it this way or that way? Oh no, everything looks the same. I just need to find the hotel. But where is it? I don't like this. It's too big. Mom? Dad, where are you? Wait. Dad said something. Stay in one place or find help. Oh, a police officer. Maybe he can help me. Okay, don't be scared. You can do this. Just ask. Excuse me, sir. Oh, he went away. Which way is the hotel? Everything looks the same. Maybe this way? Yes, I think so. Okay, keep going. This doesn't feel right. Wait, this is not the same place. Oh no, I'm more lost now. Oh, wait, that's the hotel. I found it. I found it. Yes, I'm going back. Mom will be so happy. Where is everyone? They're not here.
I'm so tired. I'll just rest a little.
What time is it? Where is everyone? Mom? Dad? Anna, where are you? Maybe they are outside. I'll just check. Which way? All doors look the same. This place feels strange. I don't like it. Who is that? Someone is standing there. Hello? Are you looking at me?
Hey, child. Are you lost? I don't know. Don't be scared. I will not hurt you. You look lost, little boy.
I can't find my room. My family is not here.
Come, I will help you. We will find your room together.
Thank you, ma'am. You are very kind.
Peter, where did he go? He was right here.
Excuse me. Did you see a little boy? He's wearing a blue shirt.
Mom, will Peter come back? I'm scared.
Let's check inside now.
We have to find him quickly. Here, try this room. I think your family is inside.
Mom? Peter? Oh, Peter. We were so worried.
Please.